welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. Quick recall, subtract on your fingers 7 minus 2. So total 7 fingers open करेंगे, 5 plus 2 7, उसमें से 2 down कर देंगे because हमें 2 subtract करना है. So how many fingers are there? 5. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. Next is subtract by drawing lines. 8 minus 5. So first we'll draw total 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll cross out 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines left? 3. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. Next is simple subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Always subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Here we have to subtract 62 from 88. So first we'll write the number in column like this. 88 में से 62 को subtract करना है. Then start subtracting from ones. 8 minus 2, that is 6. Write 6 under ones column. Then move to the tens column. 8 minus 6, that is 2. So difference क्या हो जाएगा? 26. Tips. In subtraction, the bigger number comes on the top and the smaller number on the bottom. Next is exercise 4.1. Subtract the following. 45 minus 30. Start from the ones. 5 minus 3, that is 2. 4 minus 1, that is 3. So difference is 32. Next is subtraction with borrowing. Subtract 27 from 42. हमें 42 में से 27 subtract करना है. So step 1 होगा, write the given number as column and write the greater number above the smaller number. So इस तरीके से column में arrange करेंगे, greater number को ऊपर लिखेंगे top पे and smaller number को नीचे. We can also write it in expanded form. 4 tens 2 ones and 2 tens 7 ones. Here we cannot subtract 7 from 2. 7 में से 2 subtract नहीं कर सकते. So what we'll do? We'll borrow from the tens. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? 12 ones हो जाएंगे because हमने यहाँ से 1 10 borrow किया, तो ये क्या हो गया? 12 ones and 1 borrow कर लिया, तो ये हो जाएगा 3 tens. Clear? Now we'll subtract. So 12 minus 7, that is 5 ones हो जाएगा. Now we'll subtract 3 tens में से 2 tens. 3 में से 2 tens subtract करेंगे, so we'll get 1 10. So difference क्या आ जाएगा? Difference is 15. Clear? Next is exercise 4.2. Subtract the following. So 1 has been done for us. We have to subtract 28 from 53. So here the difference is 25. Next one, we have to subtract 65 from 90. 90 में से हमें 65 subtract करना है. Again we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we'll borrow from the tens. It becomes 10 and ये हो जाएगा 8. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. So difference is 25. Clear? Next is mental math subtraction. So here one grade is given. हमें इसमें subtraction करना है. So first question is, last the problem is 40 minus 16. So 40 में से 16 subtract करना है. So find the difference 16 and 40. 40 minus 16, start at 16. 16 से start करेंगे and count to 20. Then count down the rows from the 20 to 40. The difference is 24. 4 plus 20, that is 24. To find the difference, 100 minus 44, start from the 44 and goes to the 50. Then move 5 tens down. 20 backward counting करनी है. Clear? To the 100. To find the difference, so 6 plus 50, that is 56. Next is exercise 4.3. Using the 100 grid, subtract the following. 24 में से हमें 13 subtract करना है. So we have to use the grid. Grid में हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले first number will mark the number 24 and then we go backward 10 place and 3 place. So backward में move करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 11. अगर हम backward में move करेंगे 13 place, so we'll get 11. Like this we will do the subtraction. Next is checking subtraction. Observe the following. Subtraction. 48 minus 25 gives you 23. If we add these two numbers, 25 and 23, we get the greater number जो भी है we'll get that number 48. That means our subtraction is correct. What do we observe? To check whether our subtraction is correct or not, we add the difference obtained to the second number. If the result is the first number, that means subtraction is correct. Subtract and check your answer. 68 minus 26. 8 minus 6, that is 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Now, we'll check our answer. So, difference 42 and add the second number. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. So, answer क्या हमारा आ रहा है? First number. That means our subtraction is correct. Clear? Next is subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Subtract 215 from 468. 468 में से 215 हमें subtract करना है. So, इस तरीके से column में arrange करेंगे. Expanded form में we can write like this. So, 8 minus 5. 8 में से 5 करेंगे, 3 ones आ गए. 6 minus 1, 5 tens. 4 minus 2, 2 hundreds. So, difference is 253. Clear? Short form. First, we'll write the number in column like this. Start subtracting from ones. 8 minus 5, that is 3. 6 minus 1, that is 5. 4 minus 2, that is 2. So, difference क्या आ जाएगा? 253. Clear? Next is subtract 142 from 369. 369 में से 142 subtract करना है. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 6 minus 4, that is 2. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, difference is 227. Next is exercise 4.4. Subtract the following. We have to subtract 215 from 376. Start subtracting from 1. 6 minus 5, that is 1. 7 minus 1, that is 6. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So, difference आ जाएगा 161. Next is subtraction of 3-digit number with borrowing. Let us subtract 635 from 834. So, here we have to subtract 635 from 834. So, like this, we will write the numbers in column. Start subtracting from ones. So, we cannot subtract 5 ones from 4 ones. 4 में से 5 subtract नहीं कर सकते because 4 is less than 5. So, what we'll do? We'll borrow from the tens. So, 110 को borrow करेंगे क्या हो जाएगा 14. And 110 borrow कर दिया तो it become 2. 14 minus 5, that is 9. Now, we'll subtract at tens place. So, we cannot subtract 3 from 2. So, again we'll borrow 100 की place से borrow करेंगे. It become 12. And ये क्या हो जाएगा 7. 12 minus 3, that is 9. Now, we'll subtract the hundreds. 7 minus 6, that is 1. So, difference is 199. Next is exercise 4.5. Subtract the following. 826 minus 297. Again, we cannot subtract 7 from 6. So, we'll borrow 1 and it becomes 16. Clear? So, 16 minus 7, that is 9. Again, we cannot subtract 9 from 1. So, we'll borrow, becomes 7 and it becomes 11. So, 11 minus 9, that is 2. 7 minus 2. 7 में से 2 subtract करेंगे, that is 5. So, difference हो जाएगा 529. Clear? Next is exercise 4.6. Subtract the following. 200 में से हमें subtract करना है 116. Now we cannot subtract 6 from 0. So, we'll borrow from tens place, but here again it's 0. So, हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले 100 की place से borrow करेंगे. So, it become 1 and it become 10. Now, we'll borrow from tens place. So, ये हो जाएगा 9 and it become 10. Now, we'll subtract. 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 1, that is 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So, difference is 84. Next is word problems. Answer the following story problems. A train carried 784 passengers at a station. 162 of them get off. How many passengers were left in the train? Total passengers थे 784. उसमें से 162 उतर गए. So, 184 में से 162 subtract करेंगे. So, we'll get 622. So 622 passengers were left in the train. Clear? Next is chapter test. Multiple choice question. Take the right answer. Dash means taking away of object from. Subtraction means taking away. So B is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope आपको chapter अच्छे समझ में आ गया होगा. Now you have to practice it.